I've already been vaccinated. Now it's Disha's turn to do so. And all the best for your vaccination. How is the feeling getting vaccinated?
Yes, finally, like within a week itself. I remember shooting the day when you were getting vaccinated, and I did not have this expectation that within a week I'll be the one standing over here in your place.
Yeah.
So quite nervous.
Yeah.
And let's see what happens, but I'm excited as well.
So same
Mixed
place,
feelings.
same time, different day.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yes,
All set.
let's go. And we are going
All
to
the
the
best.
same location is in his office.
Yes, all the best.
Thank you. See you. Let's go. Let's go.
You're gonna drive?
If you are.
You wanna go? Before you're getting vaccinated, I'll have to get vaccinated against.
Yes, I want the vaccine. Oh, done. Not me.
How was the vaccine?
How was it?
How was
It
it?
was good.
How did you feel it? Are you feeling anything?
No, not really. Maybe later, let's see. But currently, I'm not feeling anything.
So you feel like dancing now?
Yes. Nach meri rani nach meri rani nach. Guys, I have a hospital on my name. Look at this. Hospital. I didn't know this. Wow. Done, guys. Vaccinated. Let's head back to our house and party. I get this for getting jabbed. The party begins.
Enjoy.
Yes. So till the time I enjoy this, you guys also enjoy at your place. Get vaccinated. And I'll soon be back on this vlog. In my husband's vaccination vlog, I think we had focused on giving more information regarding the process, registration, how to get it, on that specific day. So for this vlog, what we thought is why not give information what happens after the vaccine. So I'm going to continue the vlog, and this happens.
This happens after the vaccine.
This happens after the vaccine. So
Yeah.
clearly there are no restrictions.
Your partner has to make Maggie.
Yes, so yeah, but when he got vaccinated, he only made Maggie for me on that day as well. And today also.
She made lunch for me.
Yeah, and today also
Today she made lunch, so then I had to make the Maggie. So we're following the same process.
Yeah, but he makes the Maggie in the house because he makes like the Maggie too good, which I cannot make. So Maggie is only made by him in the house. So I am feeling quite hungry, and before I go to Relish, let me tell you there are no restrictions in terms of food, which we had also told in his video that there are no restrictions on food. You can eat whatever you feel like, and I don't know why generally, or maybe I don't know, I just need reasons to eat, but I'm feeling more hungry after taking the vaccination. I don't know, this is weird, but otherwise also I think even if there's no vaccination, still I feel hungry. But today, I don't know, I have that kind of thing that I'm going to be pampered. So maybe because of that, I'm feeling more hungry. Yeah. So we are going to have this, and then we'll continue later. Bye-bye. TV time.
से बहुत 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 बड़ा था।
Saturday, Sunday, from 8 o'clock onwards, there's a marathon of these shows which we definitely don't miss because we like them. Dance shows I cannot miss, for sure.
How are you feeling now?
Good. Nothing. None of the side effects have hit me so far. Fingers crossed. But let's see, because I think when he got vaccinated, he was also fine in the daytime, but in the night, then the fever started striking in. So let's see.
3 o'clock in the night.
But who will vlog at 3 o'clock in the night?
I'll vlog.
If I get a fever, first you should be awake at 3, no?
Yeah, I'll feel the body heat and then automatically I'll be awake.
Yeah, but hope I don't get any.
Yes, you won't get it. You won't get pushed up.
Yo, I just only enjoy, no side effects. Only partying. Party और ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरा जैब है और यहाँ party और ये party और ये dinner time, and let's see what's there for dinner. No?
It's in front of you. So we have pita, hummus, falafel, tahini. Then we have falafel wrap.
Nice.
We have a dip as well. Mexican.
Excited.
Yeah, finally Lebanese after a long time. Yes. You wanted to eat Lebanese, right, today?
Yes, I was craving Lebanese today.
Yeah,
so-
for a change from China, digression from Chinese, you wanted to switch to Lebanese.
Yes.
Yes.
Vaccine did something good for you.
Yes.
It gave me a craving of Lebanese.
Yeah.
Let's enjoy.
Yep. Let's go. Enjoy.
It. I have a little bit of body ache. Not much, but a little bit. And I'm just having Giloy juice. That's immunity booster. And so I'm just going to have that and sleep. So maybe if there are any side effects, it'll be like less in magnitude. Let's see. And avoid this. I've just applied aloe vera on my face, so just ignore. So yeah, let's see what else, which other side effects do I get through the night. Hi guys, it's 3 a.m. and the latest update is now I have body ache and fever in full swing. It's next day, almost 2:30, and I could not vlog much in the night and early morning because I was not keeping that well. So just to brief you about the conditions, what happened is at night around 1 o'clock I just gained the temperature and I had fever and my body started aching a lot, and it continued till the morning. And at morning 7 I could not bear it, so I had to take Crocin because the fever was unbearable and I could not sleep and I was just getting restless. So, and also there is I am experiencing a lot of headache. My eyes are aching a lot, and this headache, I have a very bad headache right now. So that's the update, and till now I am experiencing all these effects. So when my husband took the vaccine, he had fever, but only at that night. The next day morning he was good, but that's not the case with me. I'm still not feeling that good, and I don't know why. I'm feeling quite restless. I'm not able to sleep. I'm not able to eat, and in for few hours I could not even breathe properly. I don't know why, because I was feeling so hot. So a state of restlessness. But yes, all good. Expecting everything and hoping everything to be normal within few hours, or maybe by tomorrow or day after. Let's see. But yeah, be prepared for these side effects, especially the young people, because I have seen that 45 plus or 50 or 60 plus, they are experiencing less side effects compared to, people of our age. I don't know what's the logic. Are they giving us a high dosage or what? I don't know. But yes, all the young people by default are experiencing side effects. So yeah. What's up?
Hello.
So what was your experience about last night?
My experience was not.
You saw me in a mess.
I mean, the symptoms which everyone usually get, at least in our age group from 18 to 44, is the same symptoms where people are getting fever, some cold and cough, and Disha also got the same symptoms.
But I was
she got a little earlier, so I think I got mine at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the night, and she got hers at 1 a.m. So maybe practically the entire night she was in she was distraught because of the fever and restless.
Were you experiencing headache at your time and pain in the eyes?
No, not much as such. I mean,
No?
I was actually
Is
sleeping
it gender
through the
based?
night. Actually, so from what I've heard, girls are getting affected more. I don't know why. What's the reason? But
Why?
it's,
We don't drink Complan.
yeah, so it's maybe to do with with how the genes and everything is there. So that's
No, but
the
I am
reason.
pretty strong. I have a good immunity. I don't get sick that often.
Yeah, but still, the vaccine is affecting girls more. I don't know what is the chemical combination which goes through it, and the vaccine, how it works inside the body. None of us are aware of that, how it reacts. So in the morning we had lunch. We ordered for soup, and we had tawa pulao. So that was her comfort food. I mean, she
Rice.
likes manchao soup. She likes that, and rice.
But I could not eat much, guys, because
Yeah, but anyway, so in
I've lost a bit of
You should.
interest in food right now.
anyways, like when you get fever, that time your appetite decreases. That's very obvious. That's
Yeah.
that's
So
how it is
actually, I usually finish the entire manchao soup, and today it was in front of me. Rice was in front of me, and still I was feeling like not to eat because
Yeah.
as soon as I ate, I started feeling pukish.
Yeah, but that is normal. That is still fine. So yeah, I'm just hoping that
So what's the plan
she
ahead?
recovers soon. The plan is for you to rest because rest is the only remedy, as I say. So
But guys, actually, I'm bored with resting also because
no, but you have to. I mean, there is no two ways about it. You have to
because when I'm resting, it's like I'll tell you, I have to like just sleep on my back, and I have a very bad backache. So it starts aching, and instead of resting, I feel more restless.
That's because you are concentrating on other things rather than sleeping. So
No, my
even
back aches in one position when I sleep straight.
Yeah, but then
So it creates more restlessness for me and pain for me rather than resting.
yeah, and so she popped a Crocin also in the morning. I didn't give her the Dolo because Dolo is a little a stronger dose.
Yeah.
So maybe if it gets
It's not
with
recommended
Crocin,
until it's like very
it's
high.
very severe. I think she had 101.6 Fahrenheit or something, so below the 102 range. I thought if it goes to 103, then probably she had to take the Dolo. But it wasn't very high also. It was still there. I mean, there was temperature. So with the Crocin, actually, I think within 1 hour, the fever had gone away. Because by the time she woke up, she did not have any fever. And then she was all energetic and she was running around in the kitchen. She went for a shower. I told her this is going to relapse. It's only for a short period that you're
And
enjoying
it came
this
back.
time. And as I said, that it did come back. And now
So
again,
now I'm back to sleeping again.
yeah, so let's hope it goes
Yeah,
away soon.
I'm gonna rest.
Okay, all the best.
See you when I'm good.
Favorite blanket. Yeah. So this is
Going inside my den. Bye
bye. Rest well.
bye. So I am all up and good now. All the side effects have gone. This is the next day, and everything is gone now, and I'm like full pink in health and feeling too good. And so now I've decided to eat.
You're in the chocolate health.
Yes, I'm not in pink of health, I'm in chocolate of health. So that's the update, I think. And with this, I will like to end my vlog. So these were the side effects which I think I experienced for a night and the day following it. So after that, I think I was good. And yes, I am not like making this video to scare anybody who are going to take the vaccination. I just made this video with an intent that, you know, people are aware what happens after the vaccine. So just for the awareness purpose, I've made this video. So do not get me wrong, I'm not here to scare anybody. It's all good. Just go and take your vaccine. So with this, I end my vlog, and now till the time I come back again with another video, you guys check out other videos which are there on my channel, and follow me on my Instagram handle, which is DS90official. Follow my Insta store, which is dstore9010, and press the bell icon here as well, so that you guys know whenever I have a new video in place. Till then, bye bye, stay safe, and woohoo, keep eating chocolates and ice creams, but stay safe. Bye bye.